Did you remember Mr. Cat?
Yeah.
Mr. Cat was?
Did you
No, Mr. Cat was sleeping.
sleeping?
Yeah, Mr. Cat was sleeping.
Like it.
Yeah. And then Mr. Cat wake up. Wake up.
Like it. Like
And
it.
then he asked, where is everybody? Yeah, he already went up to the mountain and celebrate. And so Mr. Cat did not join the party. Ooh, Mr. Cat was crying. Yeah, he did not go to the party.
The cat is the party.
Yeah, the cat was not there in the party. Everybody enjoyed, but Mr. Cat did not go to the party.
Yeah.
Very sad. Are you sad for Mr. Cat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cat is Mr.
Then after Mr. Cat was sad, he cried. What's crying? Yeah, Mr. Cat cried. Yeah, Mr. Cat. Oh, you cried now. You cried for Mr. Cat?
Yeah.
Yeah. But after Mr. Cat cried, he like this. So, yeah. Angry face. Yeah. And he became angry with Mr. Rat.
Yeah.
Yeah. He became angry for Mr. Rat because Mr. Rat lied. I want to find Mr. Rat. That's what Mr. Cat said. Yeah. That is why when you see a cat outside and when you see a mouse, he will chase the mouse.
Yeah.
Because Mr. Cat was angry
Yeah.
of Mr. Rat.
Yeah.
And that is the end of the story, Kael. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what?
Read
Mm,
in your mouth.
yeah. That is why, Kael, what is the moral lesson of today? Hmm?
You read in your mouth. Dada.
No. The moral lesson is you do not tell a lie to your friend. Okay? Do not tell a lie to mama and dada, okay?
Yeah. I love
Ah,
mama.
so that mama will not dada will not you always tell the truth, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do not copy Mr. Rat. Okay? Okay, very good. I kiss dada. Did you like the story?
Yeah.
Very good.
Now will read the
Next time, it will be Kael who tell story to dada.
yeah.
Okay.
And then I will eat a chicken story and a pig.
Yeah. Like that. So, who is your favorite animal?
I heard you.
What?
I heard you.
Horsey? Not tiger?
Yeah.
You are born of the year of tiger.
No, I am a tiger. The tiger will eat me.
But Kael is year of the tiger.
No,
Yeah, mama is year of the rooster.
no.
And dada is year of the monkey.
Monkey.
Why you're smiling? Why you're smiling? Dada is year of the monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah. Kael is year of the tiger.
Wow.
Yeah. And look at mama. Like Mr. Rooster. Look at dada like Mr. Monkey.
Wow.
I like Kael means like Mr. Tiger.
Wow.
That's why you sleep early, okay, Mr. Tiger?
Mr. Tiger will eat early in the cave.
Yeah. Did you know tiger like to eat monkey?
Yeah.
Oh, don't eat dada.
Okay, we sleep na.
Okay, we sleep na. We sleep na.
Dada.
Yeah.
Toto mama will sit in here.
What?
Mama will sit here.
Why?
Dada will sleep here in Mama.
But can we not sleep together tonight?
No,
Why?
Mama will stay here. And
No,
Dada will stay.
I will hug Mama. Mama is mine.
No,
You hug Dada. You hug,
Dada is mine.
you hug Dada. Oh, like that. Okay, let's sleep like this, ha?
Yes. Yeah, good. Yeah.
Okay, Dada will go. Good night, Ken.
Good night. Yeah, Dada.
Okay, Dada will go.
Okay. Good night, my love.
Good night.
Okay. Dada. Dada. Closer to me. Closer to me. Oh, you're not in the frame. Closer to Mama.
Gusto to Mama, Ken.
Closer to Mama. Closer to Mama. Closer to Mama. Closer to Mama. Like that. Closer to here. Your head here. Your head here. Your head closer pa. Like that.
Tabi. Oh.